If you want to download free wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can go to Settings, then over here scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. Next, we're gonna tap on Change Wallpapers, and then here, after scrolling all the way down, you should be able to find Get More Wallpapers. So we can tap on this button, wait a couple of seconds, and you might need to actually update the Galaxy Themes app. So if you do, of course, make sure to do that. And you might also need to use a Samsung account, although I'm not entirely sure. Now, once we are here, you should have the wallpapers category selected, and then we can scroll through this list in order to try to find something that you might want to use, although many of these wallpapers are actually not for free. However, I managed to find free wallpapers at the very bottom in this menu, so we can tap on this text that we have here, and as you can see, we just have free content. Besides that, at the top, we should be able to switch from featured to top, and then here on the left side, we can switch from all to free, so then you can see free content, once again, sorted apparently by the most downloaded ones. And then we should be able to try to find whichever wallpaper you would like to use. If you find something that you would like to use, you can just tap on the download button over here, and then once it is downloaded, of course, we want to apply it. You can apply it on the lock screen or home screen or both. Let's go next. There we go. And you should also be able to zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position of the wallpaper. At least in many cases, you should be able to do so. Tap on the done in the upper right corner, and there we go. We have a new wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.